For today's episode, we'll be making champurrado. You okay? This will be a quick and simple recipe that you could probably do by yourself in about 10 minutes after you infuse your milk. We're going to infuse our milk the night before, and it's really a simple process. The first thing we're going to do is toast our canela and Chile de Arbol on a low to medium heat. Once they're toasted, you could just leave them on the side. Next, you're going to want to grab 300 grams of milk. We use lactate as Jan can't really handle regular milk. For the milk, just bring it up to a simmer and then turn off the heat. Once you turn off the heat, you can start breaking your canela and pour it in a cup with your Chile de Arbol. Then just pour the milk over. It's important to let the milk sit out until it reaches room temperature. Don't directly seal it right away and just let it cool down. Once the milk is at room temperature, just seal and put it in the refrigerator for at least 6 to 8 hours, or what we did is we left it overnight. Now for the actual champurrado process. We're gonna get 300 grams of water, 1 piloncillo chopped up, 150 grams of water, 50 grams of Masa Harina, the infused milk from the day before, a chocolate bar that's around 150 grams, and 4 grams of vanilla extract. To make this easier, you could just chop off the piloncillo so it could melt faster. Just be careful not to cut yourself. I just made sure that I left the flat side so when I put it down it won't slip away and I won't cut myself. Now we're going to get our infused milk and take out the spices. So just the canela and the Chile de Arbol. Now we're going to start with the champurrado process. We're going to grab the first 300 grams of water and put it in a pot with our piloncillo and bring that up to a simmer or until the piloncillo is fully dissolved. Right before the piloncillo is fully dissolved, grab your 150 grams of water and mix in your 50 grams of Masa Harina and just keep stirring so the Masa Harina won't get stuck to the bottom. Once your water and piloncillo come up to a simmer, you're going to add your masa harina and water mixture while whisking the whole time. Don't stop whisking, as the masa harina will get stuck to the bottom of the pot and it'll burn. Keep mixing it and don't stop mixing it for about 3 minutes. It's important not to let the masa harina get stuck to the bottom and burn. In about 3 minutes, this is what it should look like. Now you're just gonna put your milk into the pot. Just don't whisk too fast, as this will cause the milk to rise up and you'll make a mess. And now you can follow it up by adding your chocolate and vanilla extract. Once everything is in, put a timer for another 3 minutes and just keep stirring it. You'll start to see your champurrado thicken up, and also the color will change. This is how ours looked after 3 minutes, and you can already see the change of color and that it's gotten a little bit thick. To check if it's ready, just grab a spatula or spoon, dip it in your champurrado. When you bring it out, slide your finger through it, and if you see a clear spot, that means it's ready. Once you do your test and your champurrado is ready, just make sure to turn off the heat. This is how I like my champurrado, but if you want yours a bit more thick, you can always just reheat it for another 3 minutes. This was our champurrado recipe, and we hope you found this useful if you never made champurrado. We felt like this was the simplest way to make easy and quick champurrado that everyone can enjoy. Also, don't forget that we left another way to do this recipe without infusing your milk down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more quick and easy recipes, please leave a like down below and leave a comment on something you would want to see. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Also, quick little plug, this champurrado will go great with some conchas, and we will leave that video down below in the description.